Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's exciting video because I partnered up with Sephora to showcase all the products from Rare Beauty. As you know, Selena Gomez, she created her own makeup brand called Rare Beauty. So this entire thing, it's with me, like this entire book. Oh my god, I need to tell you that how much I'm impressed and in love with all of her products, and I have my favorites. So today I wanted to do some holiday makeup tutorial for a couple of lip colors. When it comes to holidays, I always focus on the lips because I don't want to do too much because I know my dress or my outfit will be already too much, so mostly it's gonna be the lip focus. Today I will show you these three beautiful lip colors and of course complexion. So if you're interested in, keep on watching.
Alright, first step is always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist by Rare Beauty. It smells really nice, it smells very herby, but also preps your skin really nice too before makeup. We're gonna apply primer, always an Optimist Illuminated primer. It has really nice glowy spheres in the primer, so you can apply it all over your face like I did, or on the right spots like a highlighter. I like to do all over my face. The next step, it's a Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I really love this foundation because it's definitely weightless. You feel almost nothing. If you like full coverage like I do, use Brush by Rare Beauty Weightless Touch as well. Apply this as a sponge, more patting motion. You're gonna see how I'm gonna use this brush so many times because I'm obsessed with this brush, and our foundation went so well with it too. Together they're really nice. The next step is Liquid Touch Weightless Concealer. It's very nice hydrating concealer. If you want extra full coverage like I do, you can apply this, and I'm using the same brush. I know that Selena has a concealer brush, but I like to use that brush. The next step is to give a little bit of color. I love this liquid blush, and be careful, a little goes a long way. But I like blush, so I put a lot, so don't mind me. But for you, just be careful, apply one dot and test it. The next step, I want to apply highlighter. It's a mesmerized highlighter liquid by Rare Beauty. I'm applying this on the right spot to give a little bit of glow. Alright, let's try these lipsticks on. The first color, it's a Courage Lip Souffle Cream Lipstick by Rare Beauty. It's a beautiful nude color. I would say it's definitely exact same color like my own lips, so it's a perfect nude color for me. The second one, it's a really nice spicy color. It's perfect fall color if you like fall lip colors. It's called Brave. And the last one, it's almost raspberry-ish pink color. It's called Heroic. That definitely works perfect with my wing liner. So that's about it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you.